Thank you, Alina. Doo-doo, 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 doo-doo-doo-doo. It'll be small. Alone, a child was standing, and when I asked him why, doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo-doo, I'm nobody's child. I'm nobody's child. Yes, like a flower, I'm growing wild. No, that, no, mommy's kisses, and no, daddy's smile. Nobody wants me, and nobody's child. As I was slowly passing an orphan's home one day, I stopped for just a little while to watch the children play. Alone a boy was standing, and when I asked him why, he turned with eyes that could not see, and he began to cry. I'm nobody's child. I'm nobody's child. Just like the flower, I'm growing wild. No mommy's kisses, and no daddy's smile. Nobody wants me. I'm nobody's child. I wish that I no mommy's arms to hold me or soothe me when I cry. 'Cause sometimes I feel so lonesome. I wish that I could die. I'd walk the streets of heaven where all the blind can see. And just like all the other kids, there'll be a home for me. I'm nobody's child. I'm nobody's child. Just like the flower, I'm growing wild. No mommy's kisses and no daddy's smile. Nobody wants me. I'm nobody's child. Nobody wants me. I'm nobody's child. Thank you, Alina. Thank you, Maya ETV. Do do do